Okay, so we've said that a linear equation is an equation of the form y equals mx plus b. And we've already taken a look at this m. It's the rate of change. What about this b? Well, it's the value of y when x equals 0. So another way of putting that would be that the point 0, b is the y intercept. So let's take a look at a few examples. An hourly worker is paid $17 per hour. So here X will be the number of hours spent working. Y will be the money earned. And we've gotten as far as this. Y equals 17x plus b. So what will the value of y be when x equals 0? Well, when you work 0 hours, you earn no wage. So when x equals 0, y equals 0, and y equals 17x plus 0. And of course, addition by 0 doesn't do anything, so we can just write y equals 17x. Let's do another example. My workplace, CSC, is 0.52 miles from my apartment. I leave work and walk home at a rate of 3.1 miles per hour. So if x x is the time spent walking, and y is my distance from my apartment, we'd already got in as far as this. Y equals negative 3.1x plus b. And b is the value of I when x equals 0. So let's think about that. When x equals 0, I have not started walking. Well, if I haven't started walking, I am still at work. 0.52 miles from my apartment. So when x equals 0, y equals 0.52. And that's b. Y equals negative 3.1x plus 0.52. Let's do one more example. This one is slightly awkward, but I think it's worth going over. It's the bulk ordering spice example. You bulk order basil at $4.49 per ounce. And the last time I considered this example, let me see if I can find it. Here we are. We did not consider shipping and handling. Let's add shipping and handling to this situation. $4.49 per ounce plus a flat 4.99 shipping and handling fee. And here X is the number of ounces you order, and Y is the cost. And we've gotten as far as this. And what makes this awkward is that what is y if x equals 0 could lead you astray here. Because if x equals 0, you are not ordering spices. So your intuition is probably that y equals 0. And that would give you this equation. Only this equation is wrong. If you plug x equals 1 into this equation says that you only spend $4.49. What happened to the shipping and handling? So this can't be right. And it's a little awkward to talk about. But what if you could order 0 ounces from this store and get an empty spice box, or I guess spice bottle, sent to you. There's no spice, but in this situation, you would still have to pay shipping and handling, and that gives you the B. Y equals 4.49x plus 4.99. And as I said, that example was a little awkward, but it's such a prototypical example of an everyday linear relationship. I mean, probably all of us have ordered from online and had to pay shipping, that I didn't want to ignore it. So we've now discussed linear equations. We know what M is and we know what B is. We'll now deepen our understanding of this material. I believe the next topic we'll cover will be solving linear equations, and that will be in the next video.